Hey lovely people, welcome back, and we're going to do another SRT clearing, but this time it's on fear of making the wrong decisions or wrong choices. So it's the fear of making the wrong decisions or wrong choices. Set your intention to receive the benefits of this clearing, and let's set the intention also that it's a powerful clearing, and then let's get stuck in the normal way. Lovely to have you back. Right, let's oops, sorry. Let's have you centered on the charts. Hopefully you can see that okay. So I'm working with the God team in the normal way when I do these group clearings. And what are we looking at? Where is it sitting? Fear of making the wrong decisions, wrong choices, 0% positive, 100% negative. And where's it sitting in terms of consciousness? Oh, right down at incarnational level. So I'm going to get the God team that I'm working with and your high self teams to do an initial clearing on that, to raise it up to 100 positive and down to 0 negative, from incarnational level all the way up there to radiant love, new paradigm level of consciousness for everyone's highest good. I hope you're all keeping well while the teams are doing the initial clearings. And the initial clearings are the most powerful ones. The initial clearings and the mop-up is when everything gets, the bulk of everything gets cleared. And then I have to do a little bit of research in between. I'm not sure entirely why that is the case, but usually there's something for people to learn in that respect. So we start off with the master chart in SRT, and this will take us to the relevant charts for things that need to be cleared. But the bulk of the clearing, as I say, is done by your team. And your teams have about 200 plus charts on their side of life, whereas I have this, there's 32 main ones and a few extras. And I have some other extra ones from other systems as well. But for the purpose of these group SRT clearings, I just focus on the SRT system. So clearing away any experiences, memories, attachments to the fear of making the wrong decision or the fear of making the wrong choice. It's clearing a lot away. The fear of what could happen. What happens if I make the wrong choice? It is that experience we probably had in other lifetimes where something catastrophic might have happened or did happen. But we don't want anything preventing us from living fully in the moment right now. Just still clearing away, so it's obviously clearing a lot away for you. That's it, slowing down now. I can feel the difference of it as well. So where are we going first in this group clearing? We're going to chart 6A, which is the master programs for this one. Outside left, we've got fatigue. Inside left, anger. Anything else? Do they have past life roots and ancestral roots? Yeah, I'm not going to research the past lives or how many levels of consciousness they're sitting at. We're just going to ask that the teams do that, and that we clear all master programs and discordant energy there of fatigue and any fear as well. Fear is right next to fatigue, and anger. Just clearing that away, please, from everybody for their highest good. Right, it's clearing a lot away today. It's very spinning rather a lot. Done. Okay, where are we going next? Still on 6A, so we've got something else to clear there. Something I've missed off. Outside left. Hate of self. Anything else? I'm going straight to, is that inside or outside? Let's have a look. outside left, helplessness. Okay, anything else? That's clear. Do they have past life and ancestral roots? Yeah, that's clear. All master programs and discordant energy of helplessness and hate of self as well at all levels of consciousness on chart 3, clearing from past life and ancestral roots. For everyone that's watching this, please, for their highest good. So my mind's just been drawn to something in the book called Anti-Time Conflict, and it's on one of the other charts. Anti-time is in the spiritual realms. It is the spiritual realm, shall I say. Anti-time is the spiritual realms. As a divine idea, Son of God, we go through a gestation period in the womb of creativity, the Queen of Life, in the spiritual realms, and are created as spiritual body in the image and likeness of God, source energy. That body is a subconscious mind where information is stored. The next body is created at Lord of Lords and is called the living soul with a conscious mind. When the soul is ready to leave the spiritual realms, anti-time, and incarnate, it may experience conflict regarding the purpose of incarnating. It may feel traumatized by leaving the pure state of spiritual consciousness and entering the state called good and evil or time. Time is an illusion of the human consciousness and does not exist in the spiritual realms. So that's anti-time conflict. I get drawn to certain things to tell you about. Back on 6A, so we've got more master programs, discordant energy coming up with the fear of making the wrong choices. So outside left, what have we got? Guilt. Outside left, injustice. Anything else? Do they have past life and ancestral roots? And yeah, we don't need to research because it's a group clearing, but we're going to clear all master programs and discordant energy of guilt and injustice, clearing from ancestral and past life roots, and any lifetime roots actually, because they can be future lifetime roots as well, and parallel lifetime roots, clearing away across all levels of consciousness on chart 3 for everybody's highest good. Thank you. Right, where are we going now? That's better. I can really feel the difference. Chart 11. Chart 11 is soul energy programming. We've got codependency of different aspects of the soul running, cleansing the soul of evil. So that's a belief. You have a belief that the soul is evil. So we're just going to clear those away. And that's at Lord of Lords, which is the first expression of the living soul. Across all time, space and dimension, elevation, seeds, roots, branches, everything, everywhere, for your highest good. Okay, where are we going next? Chart 12, which is spirit energy programming. Dysfunction of spirit by thought, pre-programming of spirit by God, miasm of spirit. Let's just get those cleared away, clearing back to at least 8 generations for the miasm of spirit. And again, I'm not going into any detail with these as I would in individual clearings. Individual clearings, I don't always have to go into detail in individual clearings if you're buying the SRT package, but I always ask the teams, and sometimes they want me to do a bit more research on these things. It just makes the clearing more effective. So miasm of spirit. Each soul, before incarnating, was created as a spiritual being, complete, perfect, eternal, wise, intelligent, and indestructible. The potential for imperfection, which is a miasm, was necessary, or there could never be an extension of that spirit being into materiality. It could forever remain within the body of spirit, only a clone of God and nothing more. still clearing away, and this is at Queen of Life level, which is the kind of womb level of the soul. Right, okay, great. Where are we going next? We're going to chart 13, which is programs before creation. This is at King of Kings level. This is egg and sperm level of the soul. So we've got creative programming. I'm not going to ask for any research there. Idea. So just going to get those cleared at that level of consciousness to do with the issue that we're clearing for you. Just want to send my love to everybody that's watching this. Thank you for following my channel. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I'm going to be doing videos more often, and maybe some more shorts and things as well. I really want to get these clearings out there because the more we can shift the consciousness out there, the better. So do please share as much as you can. What are your thoughts on how do you feel about me clearing countries as well? Would anyone be keen for me to work on their country and see if we can notice any changes? It's a bit of an experiment always, because it's such a vast thing, but you never know, do you? We can actually clear anything, you know, with SRT, but it would be very interesting, I think. So if anyone would like me to focus on their country or state in particular, obviously not everybody's, I'm conscious that if I start putting videos up of just clearing Texas, for example, then obviously not many people are going to be watching that unless you're from Texas, maybe. But entire countries I could probably do. If you're interested, although I want to make it specific to you as well. But if I'm going to be doing more videos, then obviously I can do that for you if you're interested. It really depends on how many people are interested in that. Chart 23 is spiritual realms programs. Anything on the inside? Spiritual blocks 1 through 6. Programs not on charts. Anything else on the outside? So let's just get those cleared from you. I've still got loads of ideas, by the way, on my huge long list of suggestions that you've made. Thank you, which are going to keep me going for quite a while anyway. But I might just intersperse with the odd interesting clearing. That's yeah, it could be experimental, but you know, be interesting to see if anything happened from it. So again, clearing away, hoping you're feeling the benefits of this. Right, anything else before mop up? No, so let's just go to a quick mop up because it's a group clearing. We want to try and keep it under 15 minutes. It's more of a taster really for you. Just clearing away for your highest good. A mop up is where the teams do the bulk of the clearing using their 200 plus charts on their side of life. Clearing away anything to do with the fear of making the wrong decisions, fear of making the wrong choices. Clearing a lot away. This is my normal long list for the mop up that I do. There's some extra bits and pieces in there, and I also I'm inspired to get them to work with an affirmation. There's lots of checks, lots of extra checklists that I have, that I use in the personal clearings. If you want to purchase an SRT package, please follow my website. Work with me on my website, carolinecousins.com. Work with me, and I have 3 packages listed on there. One is the SRT package. One is working with me one-to-one Zoom, which doesn't have the SRT in it, and the other one is a combination of both, which is it's the most expensive, but it also has the most value, and you get a lot of one-to-one sessions and SRT clearings with that one. So if you want really good transformation. Is there something else to clear? There is. I felt there was. So let's have a look. What else is coming up? Chart 6B, we got blocks to positive expressions. Let's have a look. Inside left. Blocks to forgiveness coming up. Anything else? So let's clear all blocks to forgiveness at all levels of consciousness on chart 3. Okay. Is there anything else to clear now? No? So let's just seal the Akashic records. Okay. The soul's happy. Yeah. Will this change hold for everybody? Will it be accepted by everybody? Yeah. Are the souls free? High self team's happy with clearing. Yeah, it feels lighter. And what's it running at now? 100 positive, 0 negative. Much better. Is it on this page? No, it's on this page. Yeah, and it's a radiant love, new paradigm level of consciousness. So there we are. Another clearing done. Another day, and I hope it benefits you. And wishing you lots and lots of love as always. And see you again soon at the next clearing. Lots of love to you all. Bye.